Hey everyone and welcome. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today we're going to talk about something super cool dragons, but not the kind you're thinking of. No fire-breathing creatures here. Instead, we're diving into the world of dragon fruit. Yes, you heard that right, dragon fruit. These dragons are actually a type of fruit. They might not breathe fire, but they sure do pack a punch with their vibrant colors and unique look. Imagine a fruit as big as a melon, with a tough, spiky skin, kind of like a dragon's scales. It's a sight to behold, but inside there's yummy, delicate fruit just waiting to be picked. The flesh is often white or red with tiny black seeds, and it's as delicious as it looks. These dragons are tricky to harvest. The plants are covered in thorns, making it a challenging task for farmers. You can't just use a regular tractor. The terrain and the nature of the plants require something more specialized. Nope, you need special machines. Tough ones that can handle the rough and tumble. These machines are designed to navigate the tricky fields and handle the spiky fruits with care. We're talking big, strong machines built to grab these prickly fruits without squishing them. It's a delicate balance of strength and precision. And that's what we're going to explore today, the amazing world of dragon harvesting. From the fields where these fruits grow to the technology that helps bring them to your table, it's where technology meets farming, and it's way more exciting than it sounds. The innovation in this field is truly remarkable. Get ready, because we're going on a journey from the field to the factory, looking at the cool machines and clever ways that get these dragons from the plant to your plate. It's a fascinating process that combines nature and technology in perfect harmony. Harvesting dragons is tough work. These fruits are heavy, awkward, and those spikes are sharp. That's why we need heavy machinery. We're talking huge, powerful machines made just for this job. Think of it like this: you wouldn't use a tiny spoon to dig a big hole, right? These machines are built to handle the challenges of dragon harvesting. They're strong enough to drive the plow through the fields, lift the heavy fruit, and careful enough not to damage the good stuff inside. And it's not just about being strong. These machines are packed with technology, sensors, and automatic systems that make the whole process faster and smarter. They can even check if the fruit is ripe and change how they pick it. Let's meet the stars of the show, the machines that make dragon harvesting happen. These incredible pieces of technology are the backbone of modern agriculture, transforming the way we farm and harvest. From the moment the sun rises to the time it sets, these machines are tirelessly working to ensure a bountiful harvest. First, we have autonomous grain carts, or in our case, dragon carriers. These high-tech vehicles are designed to navigate the fields with precision, ensuring that every dragon is collected efficiently. They are equipped with advanced sensors and GPS technology, allowing them to operate without human intervention. These are like the workhorses carrying tons of dragons across the fields. Imagine the sheer power and endurance required to transport such heavy loads day in and day out. These machines are built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring that the harvest is brought in on time. Companies like Outrun.ag and OmniDrive are making these self-driving carriers. Their innovative technology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in agriculture, making farming more efficient and less labor-intensive. These companies are at the forefront of the agricultural revolution. Then there are European companies like Fendt, Claas and Mahindra. These industry giants have been producing top-quality farming equipment for decades, and their machines are known for their reliability and performance. They are constantly innovating to meet the needs of modern farmers. They make top-notch farming machines. These machines are equipped with the latest technology, ensuring that farmers can maximize their yield and minimize their effort. From advanced harvesting techniques to precision planting, these machines do it all. Fendt's Early Bird 2025, for example, can be used for dragon farming, making it cheaper and better for farmers. This machine is a game changer, offering unparalleled efficiency and ease of use. It's designed to handle the unique challenges of dragon farming, making the process smoother and more cost-effective. And don't forget Case IH. This company has a long history of producing some of the best farming equipment in the world. Their machines are known for their durability and cutting-edge technology, making them a favorite among farmers. Their axial flow combines are super powerful for processing dragons. These combines are designed to handle large volumes of harvest quickly and efficiently, ensuring that no time is wasted. They are a testament to the power of modern engineering. They separate the tough skin from the good stuff quickly and carefully. This precision is crucial in ensuring that the quality of the harvest is maintained. The combines are equipped with advanced sorting mechanisms that make this process seamless. With features like Harvest Command and Safeguard Connect, these combines are as smart as they are strong. These intelligent systems monitor and adjust the combine's performance in real time, ensuring optimal efficiency and productivity. They represent the future of farming technology. Section 4. The human touch, manual techniques in a mechanized world. You might think machines do all the work, but people are still important. Machines are great at doing the same thing over and over, but they don't have the smarts of a trained person. That's where people come in. Workers carefully choose the ripe dragons, making sure only the best fruit goes to the factory. They use special tools to check for ripeness, looking for things a machine might miss. It's a team effort. Machines do the heavy lifting, and people use their skills and knowledge. Even with all the technology, human skills are still important. Section 5. From Rhine to Riches, processing and packaging the dragon. Once the dragons are at the factory, the real magic happens. Here, those spiky fruits are turned into lots of different products. First, machines carefully cut the tough skin from the fruit. These machines are super precise, making sure we get all the good stuff without wasting any. The skins aren't thrown away either. They're used for things like animal food and biofuel. Nothing is wasted. Then the dragon fruit is checked, sorted, and prepared. Some is cut up, some is pureed, and some is dried in big drying machines so it can last longer. Section 6. A squeeze of innovation, extracting dragon juice. Let's talk about dragon juice, the best part of the dragon fruit. This bright, tasty juice is full of good things for you, but getting the juice out is a science. Special machines gently squeeze the fruit to get all the juice without messing up the taste. The juice is then cleaned, heated to kill germs, and put into bottles, but the innovation doesn't stop there. Scientists and engineers are always trying to make the juice extraction better, finding new ways to get more juice, make it taste even better, and create new kinds of dragon juice. Section 7. The future is scaly, innovation and sustainability in dragon farming. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of dragon fruit farming, where innovation meets sustainability. This unique blend of traditional farming techniques and cutting-edge technology is paving the way for a greener future. The journey of the dragon fruit shows how clever people are and how powerful technology can be. From the moment the seeds are planted to the time the fruits are harvested, every step is meticulously planned and executed. Farmers use advanced tools and software to monitor the health of their crops, ensuring that each dragon fruit reaches its full potential. But it's also about being kind to the planet. Sustainable practices are at the heart of dragon fruit farming. Solar panels provide renewable energy, reducing the carbon footprint of these farms. Water conservation methods, such as drip irrigation, ensure that every drop is used efficiently, minimizing waste and preserving this precious resource. Dragon farming is all about sustainable agriculture, using technology and smart ways to make less waste, save water, and be good to the environment. Eco-friendly farming equipment and innovative techniques are employed to reduce the environmental impact. Drones are used to monitor large fields, providing real-time data that helps farmers make informed decisions. From careful planting to special watering systems, everything is done with sustainability in mind. Greenhouses provide a controlled environment that enhances growth while protecting the plants from pests and diseases. Time-lapse footage shows the remarkable transformation of dragon fruit plants as they grow and flourish. The future of dragon farming is exciting, with new ideas, efficient methods, and care for the environment. Futuristic farming technology, such as automated machinery and AI-driven analytics, is revolutionizing the way dragon fruits are cultivated. Farmers regularly discuss and share sustainable practices, fostering a community dedicated to environmental stewardship. As more people want these unique fruits, sustainable farming will become even more important. The demand for dragon fruit is on the rise, and with it comes the responsibility to produce these fruits in an eco-friendly manner. Markets are bustling with customers eager to buy dragon fruit, and the variety of products on display showcases the versatility of this remarkable fruit. With the smart and determined people in this industry, dragon farming will continue to grow, giving us tasty and sustainable food for years to come. Collaboration and innovation are key drivers of success in this field. Farmers work together, sharing knowledge and resources to overcome challenges and improve their practices. So next time you see a dragon fruit product, think about the journey it took, the technology, the hard work, and the care that went into making it. From the farm to the market, every dragon fruit undergoes a meticulous process. Processing facilities ensure that the fruits are handled with care, and packaging is designed to keep them fresh during transport. It shows that even with challenges, innovation and hard work can create something amazing. The celebration of a successful harvest is a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of these farmers. Their efforts not only provide us with delicious dragon fruits, but also contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future.